take a look at another question under algebraic subscript. Let's assume we have something like if x radius x plus the square root of x square radius x minus 1 radius x is equal to 2, and you have to find x. Now, how do we go about this? Start with, say, solution. So this expression has to be taken to the other side. So we have the square root of x square radius x minus 1 radius x is equal to 2 minus x radius x. So to start with this, we have to remove the square root here by taking the square of both sides. So take the square of both sides, and the expression will be this way: x squared radius x minus 1 radius x whole square to be equal to 2 minus x radius x all squared, to remove this square root. So this will give us something like this. This will cancel this. So this will be x squared radius x minus 1 radius x equal to 2 minus x radius x 2 minus x radius x. From here, we can say this is x squared radius x minus 1 radius x, which is equal to, if you multiply this with this will give us 2 times 2 to be 4, and 2 times minus x radius x will give us minus 2x radius x. Minus x radius x times this will give us minus 2x radius x, and minus times minus is plus, so this times this will give us x squared radius x. So this will be the equation we'll get when you multiply this. So from here, we can see that this and this are the same. So we can cancel this out of the equation because they are the opposite side of the equality sign. So we have minus 1 radius x to be equal to 4 minus this, and this will give us minus 4x radius x. So moving the solution forward, from here we can initialize this with an index of 0 because it has a radix. Then here we come here, we leave this, we come here, we neutralize this with 0 and 1 because of this radix. So this will give us x raised to the power 0, x raised to the power 0 times minus 1, and that will be equal to this 4 will be left because it has no radix. So from here we have minus, we take a square bracket and a round bracket. So we say x raised to the power 1, x raised to the power 1 times 4 plus x raised to the power 0 times x, then we close the square bracket. So from here we can now express this further by saying this times this will give us minus 1. Why? Because anything raised to the power 0 is 1. So this will give us 4 minus this in the bracket will give us 4x plus x, and that will be minus 1 equal to 4 minus, this is 5x, so this is minus 5x. So the equation is now in a simpler form. So we can now say this should come over here because it's minus 5x crossing the equality sign. So that will be 5x equals to 4. Then this coming here will be plus 1. And that is 5x equals to 5. And this cancel this, x is equal to 1. So that will be the answer. I know that you have learned 1 or 2 things from this video. Please give this video a like. Don't forget to subscribe and follow. See you in my next video. Bye.